Today we're diving into the features of the V3 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop, a powerful cleaning companion with an impressive 5,000 pascal suction power, perfect for tackling pet hair, carpets, and hard floors. This versatile device not only vacuums but also sweeps and mops simultaneously, allowing you to adjust the suction and moisture levels through an intuitive app, making it ideal for any cleaning task. With its slim 2.99-inch design, the V3 easily navigates under low furniture and over thresholds up to 0.6 inches, while its unique air intake design prevents clogging from pet hair. Equipped with intelligent app voice control, the V3 is compatible with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home, offering 6 cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning, all tailored to your needs. The gyroscope smart navigation ensures no area is missed, thanks to built-in infrared sensors that identify steps and obstacles, providing a comprehensive cleaning experience. Plus, with a 24-month warranty and excellent customer support, the PUREATIC V3 is engineered for convenience and efficiency, making it a must-have for any household. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights.